In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to your Royal Bank of Canada account. Step 1. Get a Royal Bank of Canada banking details. Obtain the RBC recipient's name, account number, institution number, branch transit number, and for international payments, SWIFT code. This is Roy Catch 2. Step 2. Log into Wise. Sign in to Wise via the app or website. I will leave a link to Wise in the description down below. Click on Send Money from Dashboard. Step 3. Set destination country and currency. Choose Canada and specify the Canadian dollar as the receiving currency. Step 4. Add RBC as a new recipient. Enter the RBC account details you gathered and save the recipient for future use. Step 5. Enter amount and review fees. Type in the transfer amount. Wise will show transparent fees and the route. Review costs and timing before confirming the transfer. Step 6. Choose your payment method. Select how you want to fund your transfer. You can use Wise Balance, linked bank, or card. Authorize the payment to initiate your transfer. Step 7. Track delivery. You can monitor the transfer status on Wise. Funds should arrive in the RBC account within the given delivery window, usually 1 or 2 business days. Now I have some tips for Wise to Royal Bank Canada transfers. Always double check banking details to avoid delays. For USD to Canadian dollars, choose Canadian dollars as the delivery currency for the best exchange rate and speeds. Use the Wise app to track every stage of the transfer. And that's how you send money from your Wise account to your RBC bank account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll help you.